let me show you how Click Campaigns work for those of you that didn't see it, just so we're going to create a quick campaign that's going to work in a click campaign that's going to work in the background. So at the dashboard, you'll click campaign. Now, you have every campaign has, you first choose your funnel and then you assign tasks to that funnel. So we have 23 different types of funnels: a discovery call, product launch, shock and awe, book funnel, tripwire, a membership, automated webinar, live webinar, a VSL hybrid. You have a 30-day challenge, or a case study funnel, right? You know, many different. I'll just do the product launch funnel. Let's get rid of this because we're going to use a webinar registration page, no download. Happy with these pages. You can add a custom page if you want. We're going to go here, right? Next is your tasks, right? You got a VSL page, so you need to write a VSL. Let's also write a long form sales letter while we're at it. Let's get a brand website going so we can bring that into PageBuilder as well. All right. Let's also do emails, right? We want a launch sequence that we're going to send as a company. Let's do one that gets them for our affiliates as well, some swipe. And let's have it write our webinar presentation, create the live webinar funnel with slide deck, click save. I think that's good. But guys, you can also write a book here. You can do a freemium guide, checklist, research. You want to write a book? What kind? An MVP, 15,000 words, 30,000 words, or 50,000 words. It writes a whole book for you, right? So I'm going to shut that off. We're not going to do that today. I'm going to click save and continue. All right. Now, before I do this, I'm going to go over to BrandBaser real quick and show you some updates here in case you haven't been on some of our live streams. You remember that you could always create your brand document, your brand base document, which is the 20 questions about your company. And this is why we're the only people that get this, guys. This is why, you know, Replit, Lovable, they don't understand how to write copy for you because they're just going to ask you a question. Tell us about your industry. What niche are you in? You know, like our copy is like the best in the world because we created BrandBaser. But if you want to do a brand kit, what that is, that's a little bit different. That says this is the brand document, but what is your typography and your brand colors, right? So the way this works is when you click create a new brand kit, you give it a name, and then you attach the knowledge document that we're going to use with it. And then you choose from one of these presets here. So if you wanted to use this, you could see what that would look like, light mode or dark mode. If you want to be like, let's say in health and wellness, but like this is not quite your green, see this modify? You just click modify, you go to the modify tab and you can change it. And you choose the exact fonts that you want. You can even make it so simple to say, I already got it in a URL. Can I just give you my URL? Yes. Quicker than you can count down from 5 very slowly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Snap my fingers, and there you go. It pulled the colors out of your website for you. And you can go in, tweak them if you want, et cetera, and you can even get it from an image. Remember before I showed you, I took the image of this. I went down to the bottom, and I took this image, and that's how we got affiliate pages colors to look like that. And then once you're done, you click save, and you have a brand kit. And once you have a brand kit, you can export the assets. So you can download the style guide and your brand-based guide, or everything combined. Let me show you something cool with this. I'm going to download this style guide right here, and I'm going to go back to PageBuilder, and let's change the theme. If you remember, you can have all of these preset themes here. I clicked on the wrong one. You have all of these preset themes. What if you want to import from BrandBaser? Well, no problem. You simply take that file that we just created right here, and I click upload, and I click import. I'm going to call this Scale Plus. And I click import. And just like that, look at that, guys. In my themes, I got my Scale Plus themes that I can use for my website. You see how beautiful our products are meant to work together? So that is BrandBaser. And now that you understand having a brand style guide and a brand knowledge document, you also can realize now that when we go back to Click Campaigns, we're going to use that in this campaign. So I'm going to call this Scale-a-thon Demo for affiliate pages. Okay. And I'm going to give it a little, like this is the meeting you have with your team. This campaign is about kicking off 2026 with a bang. That's what I want the hook and the theme to be. Out with the old, in with the new. 2025, was good, but 2026 is where we're going to make AI really take things off for us. So because of that, affiliate pages normally sells for $497 a year. What I want to do is I want to give a discount on the first year for 20% off, make the price $397, and that's it. Guys, I just made that up, right? Okay. Now, I recommend you use your brand kit as the knowledge document, but you can add additional context, anything that you want, images, whatever. You have your languages here. And yes, we have everything, because if we don't, you just put in custom. Okay. So that's the beautiful thing with AI. You can change your tone. If you want to be edgy, because that's who you are, do that. You got your reading levels. I think with all the context that we give it, you're fine just to leave everything at default. We click next. And this is a new feature that I added for people like Rich Sheffrin. I recommend you skip this, all right? But some people want to go in and add additional micromanaging, which is good, context for different things. Like if you want your registration page a certain way, attach a document, give additional instructions. You could override our instructions or append. I recommend you append. And for some people that we call super users, you could contact us. And if you qualify, I will let you actually get access to our secret prompts that are back here. I did this for people like Rich Sheffrin and Donnie French that were like, Mike, I want to see what your instructions are to see if I like them or want to modify them or append them. Super copywriters want to get involved. I'm telling you guys, don't worry. The stuff that I did. The stuff that I did for you is just incredible, right? But here's what I do recommend. All of these pages here are about the main product. The upsell is not. It doesn't know what the upsell is. It has no idea. So here we have to give it context. So here's what I'm going to do. I want to make the upsell about ClickCoach, obviously, not the main product. ClickCoach normally sells for $497 a year. I want to give users 40% off on this upsell as a one-time offer, offer only upsell. They'll get 40% off. It'll be $297 for the first year. So it's 40% off for the first year. And if you need context for ClickCoach, use this. Now, I could attach a brand-based file. I do have one, but I want to show you another easier way to do it. Just go to the website, hit Control-A, copy, paste, just like that. Leave all this crap in, it doesn't matter. Click Save Instructions, and now I have special instructions for that page. Do I want to change anything else here? I mean, I could, right? I can say, hey, I want my emails to focus on this, right? This is the stuff that you have a meeting with your team. Your team is going to see this, your AI team. So you could guide it a little bit if you want, right? You know, hey, make sure to use the Jason Fladlin formula for the webinar. It knows it, it'll use it. Next, now here's where you attach your brand kit, right? You'll just simply attach your brand kit just like that. Or I could use the Scale Plus one, right? But I'm gonna use the affiliate pages because it has a knowledge document as well. Now, if you don't have a brand kit, you can create one by going to BrandBaser.com, or you can click right here and we've imported the same exact style guide right over here. You can build it in line right here and then upload your brand-based document that you got from a BrandBaser and save it one time, and you'll never have to do it again, and it'll show up in all of your brand kits library right here. If you're lazy and you just want to describe your business or paste it in, you could do that. And then finally, if you do agency work or you have a local business, you don't even need to do a brand-based document. We have it for you. We've created it for attorneys. We created it for accountants, right? You have automotive, beauty, education, retail shopping, fitness and wellness locations, healthcare, everything is done. You simply say to the accountant, I need your name and address and what makes you better than the competition. That's it. You need one question from your client. And I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, this will create content so fast that you will be able to show them published pages on their domain in 30 minutes. And not only will they be blown away, they're going to say to you, hey, I don't feel good that you charged me $7,500 for this. What did you use, AI? And you're going to say, yeah. But what do you care? Look how good it is. Well, I don't want to pay you $7,500 for 10 minutes worth of work. So I'm telling you, folks, you might have to make the customer wait 4 days in anticipation. So they go, oh my God, wow, you got a fast team. It used to take 30 days to get this. You did this in 4 days. You show them you did it in 20 minutes. they'll be impressed, but they're not going to be happy that they spent $7,500. They're going to ask you what tool you used. All right. So let's click affiliate pages. Now, this is the next thing I want to tell you. Here, you have the choice for only your funnels, not your brand websites, not your other documents. If you want to use your brand colors for your funnels, you use this. I don't recommend it. I recommend you use pure direct response marketing. Funnels are meant to look in certain colors. They work better. If you want to put hints of your brand, do this. Direct response plus your brand hits. But if you're Mary Kay and you say, no, Mary Kay says my pages need to be in pink, fine, use your brand colors. I recommend that you use pure direct response. And are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? That's it. That's all you got to do. You click create campaign. The longest amount of work is going to happen right now. Alex is going to work for about 60 seconds. And he is going to look at everything you asked him to do. Look at all of the instructions that I've given for the assets that need to be created. Look at the role and background and base instructions of the agents so that it can decide which agent it needs to hire. Then it's going to create a marketing strategy and put it in order of how it needs to get done. And then it's going to start communicating with me in real time and the agents in 5, 4, 3, 2, look at that. Just like that. So here's Alex talking to me. I have this on mute. Otherwise, every time I get an update, I hear boop, 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 right? Here's the checklist. This is what's being worked on right now. All of these are pending. They turn green when they're done. The current one is blue. What's pending is gray. Here is the group Slack channel. He spoke to me. Then he called on Ryan, and Ryan said, absolutely, I love this kind of work. Here's the only one asset we have right now, okay? And this is the plan. And I guarantee you within about 10 seconds, we're going to get another, there we go. There's my asset from Ryan, okay? Ryan just dropped an asset off for us. Here's the VSL script, okay? And now this is going to be given to Cassidy, and she'll look at this. No, it's going to be given to, Cassidy, and she will create a web page for this. We're going to start seeing the assets popping up here. We're 1 minute in. This normally takes about 12 minutes. If you do a lot, maybe 27 minutes. And you come back later. Like I say in the video, go get a cup of coffee. At Groove Digital, let me play this video for you. Let me play this video. Everything that you're going to hear is here with your ears right here is true.
Hi, I'm Mike Vilsame, CEO and co-founder of ClickCampaigns, where we say, fire your entire marketing team, and we mean it. You know, at Groove Digital, we used to have 13 people on our marketing team that was costing us over $100,000 a month. Today, we have one. Believe it or not, I do all the marketing in the company with everything you see here in ClickCampaigns. Everything on this page is my team. You know, when generative AI came out, it was all the rage. You had ChatGPT, and then you could make images, and you could make video, voice to text, all these things. It was kind of hard to keep up with. But everybody was really excited, not about prompt engineering. They were excited about what you heard, agents, agentic behavior. And that's what we've done here. With ClickCampaigns, you have a campaign manager. His name is Alex, and he works with over 20 other marketing specialists. You simply log in, create your account for free, create a brand base about your business, talk about your colors, and then go through a very simple to use wizard that will help you set up your campaign, then let it do its thing. Now, go get a cup of coffee, come back in about 10, 15, maybe 20 minutes. And what you'll come back to is seeing a conversation with all of these agents, creating all of your output for you, your brand website, your marketing funnels, your freemium reports, a book, you name it, everything is included. You want email swipes for your affiliates, you need an onboarding sequence, you need launch swipe for whatever you need blog, anything you need. How about media buying? You need traffic. Well, if this will set up your Facebook ads, your meta ads, your pay-per-click ads, everything. You spend just a few minutes telling it what you want and let your marketing team go to work for you. So instead of paying 20 people like I used to do, you can have a marketing team that costs you nothing, and your first campaign with ClickCampaigns is free. So simply check out below this website to learn more and sign up. All we need is your name, email address, and a password, and you'll be starting your first campaign for free. Thanks. We'll see you on the inside.
All right. So the reason why I showed you that, folks, this is true. We are more effective. We just let 2 developers go the other day because they don't use AI coding. And I'm like, I ask you to do something and it takes a week, and I know that I could do it in a day because I'm the one now coding. And me and Matt were like, basically we need Alan and me and Matt and, and Vashi. Vashi's really good too. And that's it. We're building. Look, here we go. Here's my website. Look at this. It even knows that I'm the creator of these products here, right? Because why? That was in my brand document. Now, what do? I simply click publish, and I take this URL, and I go to BrandBaser, and I click add clone page, and I put that in, and it'll bring it right onto the canvas for me, just like that. I'm going to call that CC2. All right. And I think this happened in like 10 seconds last time. I can actually start working on my pages as my AI agents are working. This is an actual team of people. No offense. They're better than anybody that I've ever worked with because I've cloned myself. I put my standard operating procedures into my software. And it's a wonderful time to be alive. This is what Donnie was so freaked out for. He was one of the first people to see this. And he's like, Mike, we're using this in our business. And yeah, your stuff is not perfect right away. I go in and I change my copy because we give him something to edit and then publish. Okay. You're seeing the power here. So I'm going to let this bake, right? We're 4 minutes in. We've got 6 out of 35 campaigns. So 6 times 5, it's probably got another 25 minutes to go. All right. I'm going to just leave this campaign working over here while it continues to build out the assets. We just got another asset. Let's take a look at it. What is it? It was a critique. Ryan saying, hey, the About Us page can do better. Could you imagine the designer makes you a gorgeous About Us page and you have a direct response copywriter saying it could be better? So what we're looking at here, as I'm looking down on the screen, does that look right? Yes, I'm looking down. All right. It finished the campaign. It took 26 minutes to finish. And like I said, go get a cup of coffee. And, I like to say, what used to cost us $70,000 now costs us 70 cents. What used to take us 70 days now takes us 70 minutes, or in this case, 29 minutes. And what we did with 17 people, we now do with 1. And I've got all of my assets right here. And I can, break them down by, presentations and slides and, different things, like that as well. We also get the HTML slides as well. So we've got everything that you could want. Let's see the actual web page. I saw final homepage revision. So this is the actual, web page that I've built. And let's see funnel pages. Do they have funnels? Landing pages and funnels. We can click final. So see, these pages don't use your brand colors unless you want them to, but absolutely gorgeous pages. Let's take a look here. Just, again, just showing you. And you can just put this right in and say, hey, connect this to my webinar platform, and just, put the webhook or an embed code that they give you. Let's see. Look at this. Come on. Come on. How gorgeous is that checkout page, right? Here's our upsell page. And remember, I told you to do about ClickCoach. If you were here before and I said, give it a 40% off, it'd be $297 the first year. Look at that. That was just my instructions. And I copied the paste and I said, the page, and I said, do it. By the way, the other day, it gave me a video here. It was a Rickroll video. It was Rick Astley. So guys, better pages, better templates than we even have in Groove. I got to be frank with you. This is just really good stuff. You click the publish button, you take the copy link, you go to PageBuilder and just build a page. So like these are like sister products. Like you start here and you go over to PageBuilder, and that's where you do all your publishing. We didn't want to create a PageBuilder in here where you go and you like edit the stuff. No, just take the page and go iterate. This is at worst, it creates your draft issues for you. Everything needs iteration, right? Something says insert your name here, dear first name might be wrong. This is to get the bulk of the work out so that you could get what would take normally 2 months to get done. This does in 30 minutes, and you spend the next 4 hours getting the campaign out. Maybe 4 hours today, 4 hours tomorrow. So in one day, working over 2 days time, you can completely do what a team of 17 people that was costing me, you heard it, nearly $100,000 a month on our marketing team. You remember all the people that were on the team would say, hey, this person, that person, can you do all this? And we'd have meeting after meeting after meeting. And don't need that anymore, right? AI is coming for the jobs, but I'm happy, when I'm the other guy that doesn't have to employ it and spend $100,000 a month on a team. ClickCampaign did it for 70 cents.